Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a BlueParrot S450-XT wireless Bluetooth headset and you need to do a full reset on the Bluetooth paired list devices on the headset. Now you're going to want to do this kind of for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this headset is not connecting to your Bluetooth device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with your phone, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's stuck connected to something and so you can't get it connected to a new device. Any kind of connection issues like that can very often be fixed with this factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to wipe everything off of it so that you can just go ahead and set it up like it's a new device. So all we need to do this reset is we're just going to, with the device turned on, we're going to just come in and we're going to find the volume up and volume down buttons right here. And we're just going to press both of those buttons simultaneously. And you can just go ahead and hold the headset up to your ear while you're doing this and just keep holding that for about 6 to 10 seconds simultaneously until the headset beeps twice. Once the headset beeps twice, the LED indicator will flash red 2 times, and then it will be reset, and so the headset will automatically go back into pairing mode, so which means it will then be flashing red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. Then now you can go ahead and pair it again as a new device to something if you want to, or if not, you can turn it off. Just keeping in mind, next time you turn it on, you're gonna have to set it up again like it's a brand new device. So anyways, I hope this video helped you figure it out. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for asking.